And if Firefox add-ons are not working on your PC, yeah, that can break your browsing experience really fast. Extensions not loading, buttons not responding, or features missing. Don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, restart Firefox completely. I mean, sometimes add-ons fail just because the browser didn't load properly. Next, go to Add-ons Manager and make sure your extensions are actually enabled. They can sometimes get disabled after updates. Now check for updates. Yeah, outdated Firefox versions can break extension compatibility. If some add-ons still don't work, disable other extensions temporarily. I mean, two extensions can sometimes conflict with each other. Next, start Firefox in safe mode. This disables all extensions so you can test if one is causing the issue. Now clear your cache and temporary data. Yeah, corrupted cache can stop add-ons from loading correctly. If it still doesn't work, refresh your Firefox profile. I mean, this resets hidden settings without removing bookmarks. Now uninstall and reinstall the specific add-on that's not working. Corrupted extension files can break functionality. If nothing works, reinstall Firefox completely. Yeah, this fixes deeper system or extension conflicts. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Firefox add-ons working again smoothly.